Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a motion poster for sports events. Let's make a motion poster full of energy. Start by placing your athlete photo on a dark background. Duplicate it and apply strong motion blur. Mask out sharp areas like face and hands, and also add gradient lights behind the subject. Now import dust and smoke overlays and also apply motion blur to overlays too. This gives a following sense of motion. Use layers blend modes for artistic glow and add a dynamic text with perspective. Tilt the elements slightly to suggest speed.